Beneficiaries of a camel and goat restocking program that was rolled out last year in 7 villages that were severely affected by the recent prolonged drought season in Isiolo County have hailed the impact of the initiative, as all the donated goats have given birth either once or twice, while some camels have also given birth and are now producing milk. At least 150 affected households in the 7 villages of Malkadaka, Barambate, Daaba, Ntungai, Kilimani, Leparua, and Biliko received a donation of 5 goats and 1 camel heifer each, alongside 1 camel bull for each village, courtesy of a restocking program rolled out by VSF Suzy through the Building Drought Resilience in Isiolo County project that was funded by the European Union. According to the County Livestock Production Officer, Dixon Chaulo, the initiative has greatly impacted on the lives of the local communities, ensuring availability of milk that has consequently addressed the challenge of malnutrition, especially among children below the age of 5. Meanwhile, youths have been urged to invest more in real estate for the future.